Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Learning Made Easy with Bhavisha. Today we will do quick revision of chapter number 3, Fiber to Fabric. So let's get started. Introduction. Fabrics are made from threads called yarns, which are further composed of thin strands known as fibers. कपड़े धागों से बनते हैं जिन्हें सूत कहा जाता है। सूत और भी पतले तंतुओं से मिलकर बनता है। फाइबर्स कैन बी नेचुरल और सिंथेटिक. Natural fibers are obtained from plants and animals. Synthetic fibers are man-made. तंतु प्राकृतिक या कृत्रिम